Well, 12 months later I returned to the farmer's dog to find out what's changed. We've now got a park in a field which is rather muddy with metal boards down and slippery, as they're only allowing blue badge holders allegedly only in the car park. But you don't have to display a blue badge, you just have to say you've got one basically. So having to drop my mother-in-law off first, then park the car and drive around for 10 minutes. Interesting, because last time I came here you just parked up and went in, and apparently if you bring the motorcycle you can drive the motorcycle in and park it to the front, which is interesting. So like I say, so we won't be buying much as I'm not going to carry it quarter of a mile back to the car, so sales will be down, but interesting. So 1 year on, shall we say, there are changes, but not for the better. So we'll catch up with Gloria, because it's the reason I came here is to bring her. So we'll see, because like I say, you can park your motorcycle in the disabled lot. But like I say, the thing is, that's what happens when you bring an old person who's disabled who hasn't got a disabled badge really. So they should apply for a disabled badge, it'd be a lot easier. But like I say, the new restrictions here are interesting, shall we say. So I probably won't be coming back, because I can't be asked to walk from a muddy field and carry all the goods you buy half a mile. So we won't be buying anything today. So well done Clarkson for your sales anyway. As I planned on buying a lot, but we won't be buying anything. So we'll see what they fancy, because I ain't carrying it that way. So change isn't always for the good, as they say. Although they think it is. Like I say, you can bring a motorcycle and park it here. There's no cars here. But like I say, it's still as muddy as ever. But hey, obviously, change is obviously a good thing as far as they're concerned. Hence, so there's nobody here for the queuing for the farmer's puppy. There's nobody here at all. There's got to be a first, and there's literally nobody here. I knew, I came here this time last year, there's nobody here either, so there's no change there.
Thank you very much.
I won't be buying anything like stuff, because I'm not carrying it that far.
It's a long way then.
Yeah. Like I said, you get your hand stuff, but I'm not going to do anything. It's too far to walk with carry between a couple of crates of beer here. So forget that. So just have a wander around and see what's here. Especially when the car park is empty here. That's the ridiculous thing about it. Yes, the plan was to buy a few crates of Hoxton, but like you say, there's no way you're going to carry them over the frigging field. They can fly a fucking kite. £6.50 for pasty.
fine if you just put up that available.
Yeah, it's alright. I came here exactly 1 year ago and there wasn't any problem. Nobody here like it was today. Came in, loaded up and went off again, but now we've got to park over there. Drop that. Luckily they allowed me to drop the mother-in-law because she hasn't got a blue badge even though she should have one.
Yes, yeah.
But hey,
far busier nowadays. So
yeah, but like I say, I always pick a day like today when there's nobody here.
Yeah, it's just tricky. Yeah, you can't change the rules on a daily basis.
No, that's alright. No worries.
But yes, if you are picking something up, the car park staff will be more than happy to let you come in.
No, I'm fine. I'm alright here. Can't blame if you want them, yeah? Jam, there we are. Eleven to 11 there. You've got exactly 5 minutes. You've arrived at 5 to 11, so you've got 5 minutes. I'll have an orange juice.
It's the same thing with orange juice as well. If you wanted one of those, I can't do an orange juice.
Okay.
Because being citrus free, you can't grow it in the UK. Or people. Well, just a lot of stuff. Would you want 3 apple juices? Yeah. Service. 10, 20 at the front when you're ready to finish. So you might have to insert that, sorry. Yeah.
So, third time here. How do I say this politely? Should have kept it at the second time because there's so many changes and rules here. It's getting a bit ridiculous. There you go. So, another change to the restaurant is that it's all restaurant now, including upstairs. And there is no seats for you to have a drink when you're waiting for the restaurant to open, except for metal ones that aren't very safe for old people. So it's all changed here. Yeah? Is it for the better? Yeah? The cheers, the apple juice. Yeah, so like I say, so it's all restaurant only now, dear. Right, interesting rule we've just been told is the pub opens at 11, the server isn't there till 11:30, and then we've got to speak to the server to see if there's any free tables to have lunch. But you can't book in advance online or anything, so explain to me how there won't be any free tables. So after that, we've only spent exactly 20 minutes and 3 apple juices later instead of a meal for 3, and we're on our way somewhere else. Because I'm not being funny, it's gone from a nice pub atmosphere to a very you will do this, you can't do this, you can't do that. Obviously publicity's gone to your heads, people, because I came here exactly 12 months ago to the lovely place. Now we just like gotta wait here, gotta see if this is free, that's free, like are we taking the fucking piss? So there we are. So this is going to be an interesting vlog. Clarkson's obviously making too much money out of it, but on saying that, this is the disabled car park that they won't allow anybody in, but you don't have to display badges. There's 10 cars here. So I'm now going for a walk back to get my car to come back to pick the mother-in-law up, who can't, you know, walk that far. So lovely day out in the countryside, sunny day. At least it's not raining. So we'll what was supposed to be a see what the food's like a year on isn't going to be see what the food's like a year on, because we can't be sure whether we can get a table. So let's go to Oxford, to a place where I know there are a few nice restaurants. So see you soon. There we are. It says 5 miles an hour.
Have a good night with us.
I was doing 4 miles an hour, and I was told I was speeding because the corrugated things were bouncing. So it says 5 miles an hour and I was doing 4, so I was told to slow down because I was speeding, and I'm thinking they're literally taking the piss everywhere. So enjoy if anybody comes to Clarkson's farm. I won't be bothering again because there's too many ifs or buts, and we may not have lunch, even although, like I say, there's 5 cars in the car park, 10 people in the place. So there we are, no worries. This is my money anyway. So end of the vlog for Clarkson's farm, round 2. Round 2, 1 year on. Don't bother really. So see you later.